Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome to day one of the 12 days of Singmas. And in day one, I'm going to teach you this very nifty little Christmas medley. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Woo! Oh, messed it up at the end there. But you get the idea. It's a little party trick for you to do at your Christmas parties or gatherings if you're going to be having them. So I'm going to put the lyrics in this email for you to that little bit of a Christmas medley that I've just done. You know the songs anyway, so you just sing them kind of one after the other, just sections of them. And then the cups is quite simple if you've got a bit of rhythm to you. You just need a plastic or a paper cup. And it starts with 2 claps. Nice and simple above the cup. And then you're going to tap the top of the cup 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So it goes tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice and simple. We'll do that again. Tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. And then we clap again. Okay, so we've got clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap. That's the first bit. This first bit is quite simple. So we've got clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap. Then you are going to pick the cup up and put it back down again. Okay? So we've got clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Okay, that's the first section and it's really simple. And if you can't get the second half, which is pretty tricky, then you can just repeat that first section over and over. So clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up. You can just keep repeating that. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Yeah, so it's quite simple to just keep repeating that. And even that in itself is a really cool party trick. So I'm going to teach you the second half anyway because it is quite tricky. So we've done the clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Then we clap again to start the new section. Then we are going to take our right hand and grab the cup, not just this way with your hand straight, but we're just going to turn our hand that way to grab it and pick it up. Okay, so we clap, grab it that way, and then you're going to tap the outside of the cup, so the end that you pour into, onto that hand. Okay, so I'll do that again. So we go clap, pick it up, tap the end on your hand. Okay, then after that we tap the bottom end of the cup back on the mat or on the table, wherever you're doing it. So we've got clap, pick it up, tap it, and then down. Okay? So we've got da, 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 da. Okay? We'll do that again. Da, 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 da. Okay? Just slow that down if you need to or pause it. Then we've got the bottom of the cup on the table or the mat. You're going to take that bottom and then tap the bottom on your hand. Okay? So from the beginning of that section, we've got clap, grab it, tap the open end, bottom end, and then bottom end on your hand. Then you're going to keep hold of this bottom end in your hand. With your other hand, you're going to slap it on the table and then put the cup over it. Okay, so I'll go through all of that really slowly again. We've got clap, grab it, tap the open end on your hand, the bottom end on the mat, the bottom end on your hand, grab it, hand down, cup down. Okay, so all together you've got, and that makes that rhythm pattern. So da, 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 da. And that's it. So that's the second half. So when you put it together, you've got clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down, clap, grab, tap, 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 hand, down. Okay, there's no better way for me to articulate that. So tap, grab, hand, down. I hope you can understand that. So I'll do that again slowly and then I'll speed it up a little bit. So clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down, clap, grab, tap, 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 hand, down, clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down, clap, grab, tap, 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 hand, down. And then you can start adding the song over the top. Once you get the hang of this, it'll just naturally come to you. And that rhythm will just keep coming out and you'll keep doing it until you get used to it. And you can have a conversation whilst you're doing it, or you can sing a song whilst you're doing it. So at that point, you stick the Christmas medley over the top. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. And you get the idea. So that's the Christmas cup song. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I'll see you on day 2 of the 12 days of Singmas. Merry Christmas!